Shares of India's largest gold financer, Muthoot Finance, are up about 8% on the back of strong quarterly profit growth and the MFI crossing the 1 lakh crore AUM milestone. It also saw a robust demand for gold loans in light of RBI's restriction on unsecured lending. The MFI's gold loan AUM has hit a record high as well. Crompton Greaves consumer electrical shares rose about 4% after the company reported an increase in its consolidated net profit and revenue for the quarter ended September. The company posted a 26% YOY increase in consolidated net profit at about 125 crore levels, while revenue from operations rose 6.4% on year. Auto player Hero MotoCorp shares rose about 3% after brokerages such as Jefferies, Nomura and Nuvama Institutional Equities reiterated their buy ratings, citing rural demand recovery, upcoming launches and margin improvements as key growth drivers. NALCO, along with other metal players such as Hindalco and Vedanta, saw its shares surge as China decided to reduce or cancel export tax rebates for select products made out of aluminium and copper. Any reduction in Chinese exports could tighten the global supply of these products and may increase prices since China is the world's largest producer of these metals. Railway Solution shares rose about 10% as the company narrowed its losses in Q2 FY25 from 263 crore from Rs 120 crore in the year-ago period. The company also posted a revenue of about 1900 crore, a 26% increase from 1500 crore generated in the same quarter last year. City gas distribution companies such as IGL and MGL saw their shares crash after the government cut the APM allocation to CGD players by 20% for the second month in a row. IGL has reported a 20% additional cut over the 20% cut already announced in October 16th earlier last month. MGL shares took a beating for the same reason. As a result of the reduced allocation in the APM, this means that the centre has reduced the supply of low-priced natural gas from old oil fields to city gas retailers. As a result, the CGDs will have to look for alternative options to bridge the gap in the input gas, such as new well gas or spot LNG, which is more expensive. Honasa Consumer shares hit its 20% lower circuit after the company of the D2C brand Mama Earth shared a weak earnings report for the quarter ended September. The firm reported its first quarterly loss in about 5 quarters. Shares of Honasa Consumer fell below their IPO price of 324 rupees per share. TCS, along with other constituents in the Nifty IT index, tumbled nearly 4% after the US Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, said that there was no need to rush to lower interest rates due to the ongoing economic growth, a solid job market, and inflation that remains solidly above the Fed's 2% target. Bharat Dynamics stock declined 3.5% after the company reported weak Q2 results. The company posted a standalone net profit of Rs 123 crore compared to 147 crore a year ago, seeing a decline of about 17% on year.